Welcome to our comprehensive video tutorial on how to use Ask Leo, your personal AI assistant for Exxat Prism. Ask Leo is designed to make your experience with Exxat Prism more efficient and seamless. Whether you're new to Exxat Prism or a seasoned user, Ask Leo can simplify your tasks and provide instant answers to any questions you have about Exxat Prism's features, tools, or workflows. It can also perform actions such as adding and assigning tags, changing your password or personalizing your theme, and can guide you by navigating directly to specific sections within the Exxat Prism system. This tutorial will walk you through how to interact with Ask Leo effectively, ensuring you get the most out of this powerful tool. Let's dive in and discover how Ask Leo can redefine the way you work with Exxat Prism. To chat with Ask Leo, click on the Ask Leo button. You can then select one of the frequently asked questions or ask a new question in the query text box provided. For example, you can ask, "How do I review my students' patient logs?" You can also verbally ask Leo a question by clicking on the microphone icon. Please keep in mind that you need a functional microphone to do so. After you speak your query into the mic, click on the stop icon. Your question will then be populated in the query text box. Once you are ready, click on the send icon. Ask Leo will then process your request and provide you with an answer. If you speak your question to Ask Leo, Leo will then audibly speak the generated answer. You can leave us feedback on Ask Leo's response by clicking on the thumbs up button or thumbs down icon. If you click on the thumbs down icon, you will then be asked to select a reason for your feedback and provide an explanation for where Ask Leo went wrong. Any feedback you have on Ask Leo's response would be greatly appreciated. Please note that Ask Leo is still learning, and therefore please reach out to support if you have any important questions. It is also possible to ask Leo to complete certain tasks such as creating tags and assigning them to sites, locations, contracts, personnel, and students. For example, if you would like to create the married student tag, ask Leo to create a new student tag. A window will open for you to enter in the new tag name in the tag name text box and assign the new student tag a color by clicking on the color palette icon and selecting a color. You can also click on the module drop-down to assign this tag to sites, contracts, locations, or personnel. After you have configured the tag, click on the Add button. The tag will then be added for use. If you would like to assign this tag to a student, you can ask Leo to do so. For example, if you want to assign this tag to Janet Brown, enter "Please assign the married tag to Janet." A window will then open for you to assign the tag. Select the module which you would like to manage. In this case, we would like to manage the student profile, then select the student you would like to assign the tag to, then click on the Assign Tag button. The tag will then be assigned to the selected student. If you would like to ask Leo to change your password, enter "Change my password" in the query text box. Please note that you can only change your password if you have a standard account with a non-SSO login. A window will then open for you to change your password. First, enter your current password in the Current Password text box. You can then enter your new password in the Enter New Password text box. Hover over the information icon to view the required guidelines for setting your password. You can click on the eye icon to view your entered password. You will then need to re-enter your password in the Re-enter Password text box. Once you are done, click on the Save button. Your new password will then be set. You can also ask Leo to change the theme of your system. For example, if you have trouble reading the pages of the system and would like to change your theme to high contrast mode, type "Change my theme to high contrast mode" in the query text box. Your theme will then be changed to high contrast mode. Lastly, it is possible to ask Leo to navigate to the different sections of Exxat Prism. For example, if you want to navigate to the Student Setup section, type "Take me to the Student Setup section" in the query text box. Leo will then let you know it is taking you to the requested section and load the section of the system for you. Thank you for watching our Ask Leo tutorial. Please take the time to check out our other useful Exxat Prism tutorials.